Hey guys, Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have our Madstad Adjustable windshields for the 2020 and newer Polaris Slingshot. If you have been following our channel, you know that back in 2018, we launched our Madstad Adjustable windshield for the 2015 to 2019 Polaris Slingshot models. Well, due to Polaris's redesign of the Slingshot's dashboard area back in 2020 and the multiple requests from you guys, we decided to go back to the drawing board with the team over at Madstad to bring you an updated version of the Madstad windshield designed specifically for the 2020 newer Slingshot models. And just like their predecessors, these Madstad adjustable shields are constructed from 3/16 cast acrylic and come in a variety of tint options and heights. Our tint options are offered in clear, light gray, medium gray, as well as a dark gray, with all tint colors available in 3 different sizes: a 9-inch, 11-inch, and 13-inch. Now, the clear shield is recommended for those of you that do a lot of night riding, or for those of you that just prefer the visibility that a clear shield provides, while the tinted shields basically act as a pair of sunglasses for day riding and will help to reduce headlight glare for night riding. Now, the reason these Madstad shields are so popular is because they have a 2-inch vertical adjustment as well as a pitch adjustment, allowing you to fine-tune the airflow into the cabin to prevent buffeting. This windshield kit includes all necessary hardware for a straightforward installation. So now follow me as I walk you through the installation process on our Shop 2020 Slingshot R model. Start by opening your hood so that you can use a T27 Torx to unscrew and remove these 3 windshield screws. Then you can tilt it forward and lift it up and off. Now you can unclip and remove these 2 triangle-shaped dash panels. So that you can pop these 2 push pins up and off. This will loosen up the dash so you can lift up on the center just enough to reach your hand underneath, pushing these 2 clips out from the center of the dash. Next, take 2 of the M6 by 25 Allen head screws and add a split lock washer to both. Then position the center bracket over the 2 holes in your dash and slide those 2 screws down through the bracket and then into the dash. Now take this metal mounting plate and position it under the dash and onto those 2 screws with the 6 rubber tabs facing up and the narrow tapered end facing back towards the rear end. And tighten them down so that they're nice and snug, making sure not to over tighten. Then push those 2 push pins back in. And reattach your 2 triangle dash panels. Next, take the clamp style mounting brackets and slide the bottom plate under the notch in your dash so that the top plate fits around the rubber bump stop, and tighten down the included screw using a 4mm Allen wrench, but don't tighten it all the way down just yet. And then repeat that process for the other side. If your Slingshot did not come equipped with well nuts in this location here, Madstad has included 2 with the kit that you should insert at this time on both sides of the bike. These will allow you to attach the metal bases that we're about to install. Now add a metal washer to these 3 M6x25 Allen head screws. Then position the mounting plate over the 2 holes on the clamp and 1 hole in the dash so that you can slide the 3 screws with metal washers in. Tightening them down so that they're nice and snug without over tightening. And then you can finish tightening down the clamp screw the rest of the way. Next, take the adjustable mounting arms with the knobs facing out and attach them to the mounting plate by sliding in 2 of the M6x12 Allen head screws through the adjustable arm, then into the plate, adding a metal washer and nut to the back, tightening them down so that they're nice and snug without over tightening. And then do the same thing for the other side. Line up the holes on the mounting plate, add the 3 screws with metal washers, tightening them down so that they're nice and snug without over tightening, along with the center clamp screw. Next, take the adjustable mounting arms with the knobs facing out and attach them to the mounting plate by sliding in 2 of the M6x12 Allen head screws through the adjustable arm, then into the plate, adding a metal washer and nut to the back, tightening them down so they're nice and snug, making sure not to over tighten. Now take the 6 M5x25 Phillips head screws with plastic washers and slide them into the 6 holes on your windshield. Then take this H-shaped metal plate and with the rubber tabs facing the windshield and flat part of the H on the bottom, slide it onto the 2 middle screws, adding a rubber washer to the back of both to hold it in place. And then add the 4 remaining rubber washers to the 4 remaining screws. Next, you can bring the windshield over to the bike and line up the 6 screws with the 6 well nuts on the mounting posts. And tighten them all down just enough until you see the rubber on the backside of the grommets start to balloon out like this, making sure not to over tighten.
Now I'm going to hop in the driver's seat with a camera at my eye level to show you approximately where these windshields line up with your field of view, starting with the 9-inch in its lowest position, all the way up to the 13-inch in its highest position, and please keep in mind that I'm exactly 6 feet tall.
So if you're looking for an aftermarket windshield for your 2020 and up Polaris Slingshot, that's available in a variety of tint levels and offers both height and pitch adjustment. And be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab one for yourself. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Slingshot. I'm Brandon, signing out. Till next time.